In HTM, the most dangerous thing we can say is, that's just how we've always done it. Because when lives are connected to the work we do, average can't be the standard. We don't just fix equipment. We protect moments. We protect families. We protect somebody's second chance. And if we're honest, some of the biggest breakdowns in this industry don't happen inside the machine. They happen inside the mindset. When we stop growing, when we stop mentoring, when we stop challenging the culture, when we get so comfortable with yesterday that we forget tomorrow is depending on us. Purpose doesn't live in comfort. It lives in responsibility. So the question is not, how has HTM always been done? The question is, what are we willing to become so the next generation can go further than we did? Because pressure is not here to break this industry. Pressure is here to reveal who's ready to lead it.